Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Vijay Arts. இன்னைக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is the 11th day of our watercolor challenge of the watercolor month, July. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா we are going to draw a flower which is a tulip. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed because there is going to be more things coming up, just not on watercolors alone. I am going to cover all the mediums going forward. சரிங்களா, இது வாட்டர் கலர் மந்த்னால ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கவரிங் வித் தி வாட்டர் கலர்ஸ் அலோன், பட் தேர் வில் பி அதர் சீரீஸ் விச் இஸ் கமிங் ஆன். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் கெட் ஸ்டார்டட். யூஸ் பண்ண போகிற மெட்டீரியல் ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு யூஸ் த சேம் ப்ரஷ் விச் வி ஹவ் யூஸ்ட் எஸ்டர்டே. ஸோ இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம we will draw the outline for the flower. First draw an oval. Okay, just an oval shape. Let it be not much darker. Okay, then add a shape like this, a curve, and then another line like this. Okay, and add a kind of a V shape, inverted V shape here, and another one here. Next we are going to draw lines. One is a kind of the nerves here. This just for a reference, it need not to be the exact thing because we are just going to draw the flowers. It's not a portrait, right? So just do it like that. This is for a reference. We need to have some guidance there, that's the reason. Okay, now it is the things which we don't want on the flowers. Okay, we will just go like this and then just erasing it. Make it lighter. Okay, next we are going to draw the stem. So it should be like this. Just draw a straight stem. Then just a guidelines of leaves, how it's going to be. Here you go. So we just now have the reference to draw. Okay, the outline to draw. So let's apply water. We are just going to use the wet on wet method. So it's going to be majorly the colors that I'm going to use from this palette, and I also have a smaller palette here which thing I may use it but not sure. Okay, maybe for darker and lighter green. So we are going to give the base layer now for the flowers. Adding some more water because we need the bleeding effect for these flowers. Okay, I'm going with size 0. Just use the tip of the brush. Okay, and I'm going to use the crimson lake here. I'm making it light. I hope you can see it. Just go with the light color in the first, as I always recommend. Okay, just go with the reference that we have, and if you feel it is more, then you can wipe it off. And we want a gradual white at the bottom. Okay, so don't fill the entire petals with the color. Okay, so we need this one to be white, so I'm just tapping it and getting that white, a gradual thing. And make sure we have this line at the center, not too much of color there. So I'm just tapping it and taking it off. you feel you can wipe this off and take it, because we want the uh, base should be lighter, means this area should be kind of a white color it should be. So I'm just blending it from bottom to top. Okay, dry for a while, not too much of dry is required, so I'm going to add second layer when it is kind of dry. Okay, just the lines alone, a gradual line kind of a thing. I'm just going to use the layering method, so I'm going to keep this one dry for a while. I'm just going to leave it as it is for a while. Yeah, this now kind of dry, so just gonna to apply one more layer here. But before that, if you have a spray bottle, please use it, but now I don't find it nearby, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Okay, not too much of water, because if we use too much of water it will again start bleeding. We're just going to add layer and then start blending it. Okay, so make it soft. Okay, wash your brush and then make it soft down the layer, but you can at the top you can have it like this. Okay, now we are going to add some more to the second petal that we have here. I'm just making it, means I'm using the pen brush, means tip, smaller one, 0 size. Have this one on a lighter value. Okay, so next take some black, which I have here, and make sure the paper is wet. It's better to have a spray bottle just to spray it here and there to get that effect, but unfortunately I don't find it nearby. It should be somewhere here, and it's of too much water, so I'm just tapping it. Okay, just a little bit of water is enough, and should be a light kind of a darker value. Now we are going to work with the stem, then later we will come to the petals once again. Just do it gradually, add darker value and then lighter value. Next we are going to work on the leaves. I'm going to use the same color, but we will go with the lighter value first. But before that, I have the area wet so that we get a nice effect of leaving texture. Now let this one dry, both the things. Not a complete dry is required, but it should be a little bit of dry. So meanwhile, let's work on the petals. Okay, take some more darker value. If you have the thing, you can paint it, means you can spray it, but since I don't have it, I kept somewhere, but I am not able to find it. Okay, just a lighter tone, just to have kind of things here, like the waves is coming up, nerves. Okay, working this way, then add water and then blend it accordingly so that it doesn't looks evident, but it is. Okay, next we shouldn't want this to be too much of dry and the leaves. Just add it here and there. Again, it's a tapping method that I'm working on. Okay, get a darker value, mix it once again. If you can dream it, we help you draw it, we help you. Okay, now you can see the depth that it's giving. So add some more. Okay, there should be of a darker value, so I'm adding more color here. Do it kind of, what to say, the natural things, so you don't need to worry about their shapes. Okay, it should kind of like, there should be a variance of colors in the leaves, then only it will give depth. So I'm adding a little bit of brown at the bottom here to get a darker tone. And then apply some water for the other petal, and we are going to make that one a little bit dark. I'm just using the crimson lake. Okay, so there is no other color that I'm using here, and I'm just going to draw the same kind of thing here. Okay, so try it and let me know the feedback and how it looks. And yesterday we have made this popsicles, and I've had some more kind of wet look here and there. So try it if you want. And this is for today. Let's catch up for next video by tomorrow. Okay, thank you.